Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today Apple released iOS 11.3.1 and the build number for this version will be 15E302. Let's check it out. Now, this is just a really quick update as there is really nothing new to talk about for this version of iOS. Basically, this version will be fixing the bug which was affecting iPhone 8 and 8 Plus users that received a screen replacement that would not respond. So this was very limited to iOS 11.3, so basically the screen replacements, even if they were done at an Apple store, would sometimes not respond or not work at all. So if you have one of these devices with a display that kind of doesn't work or doesn't respond properly, you can definitely update via iTunes, and this update should solve that issue. Other than that small bug fix, iOS 11.3.1 is basically the same as iOS 11.3, and there are no new features or other changes. So guys, thank you for watching this video and this quick update. Make sure to get subscribed to stay up to date on iOS 11.4 betas, a new video on battery life coming tomorrow, and some more exciting content coming later to you in the week. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. This video is brought to you by My Wi-Fi TV. Cut the cable and go with a cheaper solution by heading down to the link in the description below.